I just came back from meeting a friend of mine who I haven't known for very long. But do you ever meet someone and they just say a couple of things that make you question everything? Has that ever happened to you? What does that mean? I was talking to her about content and stuff. And she's like, what do you want to be when you grow up? And I was like, eesh, am I being a bit childish? I don't know. I don't know. What does that mean? She's probably right. She's probably right. I think when you don't care about anyone, it's easy to be nihilistic and go, fuck it, I don't care about anything or anyone. And then you, oh, damn it. Anyway, what do you think?